It's about 6:30 in the evening. It's very hot outside, it's very humid, and I'm worried that the rest of the week is going to just rain, 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 rain. So I'm going to take out my new best friend. I'm gonna go out with my drone into Leeds. I've now moved house and I live in a different city. And yeah, I'm gonna go explore. I'm hoping it's gonna stay light until about 9 o'clock tonight, so I should still get some nice footage. However, I live in the city centre of Leeds, and there's an airport north of Leeds, which means there's a no-fly zone radius around where I live, which means I have to be really careful that I don't go over 150 metres with this. So I have to do a bit of walking to get to where I want to go. But yeah, hopefully it won't get dark and hopefully it won't rain, but let's see. Okay, so it did rain the other day. I got limited drone footage and not really the best visibility. It was quite cloudy, quite overcast, where I did go in Leeds, which was the docks, past the docks area, for those who do know Leeds. For those who don't, it's pretty much just outside of the city centre / in the city centre. And today, so that was about, the first half of this video was filmed about 4 days ago, and it's now Sunday, and I'm going to try again to get some good drone footage, because I didn't really get that much the other day and it was quite late and the sun was setting. So it's now Sunday and it's quite windy outside, so I'm a bit worried that I won't be able to get some good shots again, but this is really my only chance, unless I wait for next weekend or wait for a sunny evening next week, but we're gonna try. So I'm going to go to a park just outside Leeds, which is called ROUNDHAY, and there should be a lake / reservoir in this park, and that's where I'm gonna try and go. Hopefully there won't be too many people, which means I can use my drone and I can get some good shots. So let's see. It's very windy, like I said, and it's sunny at the moment, but it's been raining all week. And it's just been really humid and not very nice. So fingers crossed, let's try it.